A volcano is a mountain that opens to molten rock below the surface of the earth. There are three main categories of volcanoes. Active volcanoes have recently erupted, or it will possibly erupt soon. Dormant volcanoes have not erupted in a long time, but there's a possibility it will erupt in the future. Extinct volcanoes haven't erupted for thousands of years, and there is no possibility of it erupting again. When tectonic plates bump or grind together, it causes volcanoes to erupt. On Earth, there are more than 1,500 active volcanoes. They are mostly found in Hawaii, Alaska, Oregon, California, and Washington. There are four types of volcanoes: cinder cones, composite, shield, and lava volcanoes. Magma is the liquid rock inside a volcano. Lava is the liquid rock that comes out of a volcano. Pyroclastic flow is a mixture of items that is very hot, moves very fast, and comes out of a volcano. Pumice stone comes from a volcano during an explosion. Mauna Loa is located in Hawaii and is the largest active volcano in the world. The Ring of Fire is an area around the basin of the Pacific Ocean that has frequent earthquakes and volcanic eruptions.